The streets of Iran are burning, and now the world's most powerful leaders, they are stepping in. This is no longer just an internal crisis, ladies and gentlemen, this is turning into global power moment. As protests shake Iran city by city, a new name enters the story, and that name is Vladimir Putin. The Russian president is now in direct contact with both Iran and Israel. Now, that single detail changes everything. The Kremlin has confirmed it. Moscow says that Putin is actively speaking to Tehran. He is also talking to Israel. The goal, according to him, is simple: stop this from exploding into a wider war. But behind that calm language lies deep fear. Why is Russia involved at all? Because Iran is not just another country in crisis. Iran sits at the heart of Middle East stability. Any collapse, any misstep, any strike, and the entire region could spiral. Putin knows this, and so does the entire world. Inside Iran, the situation is worsening really fast. Protests are no longer small or scattered. They are spreading, they are angry, and they are directly challenging the authority of the state. Well, security forces are stretched, internet blackouts are rising, and the fear, it is replacing the silence here. Israel is watching closely. From Tel Aviv, the concern is not just protest. The concern is instability, and instability in Iran always raises one dangerous question. What happens next? Missiles, proxies, retaliation. No one wants that trigger pull. And this is where Mr. Putin steps in as a power broker. Russia says that it is urging restraint. Russia says it is pushing dialogue. Russia says escalation would be catastrophic. But make no mistakes here, this is not charity diplomacy. This is strategic survival. Moscow fears a chain reaction here. If Iran weakens, the Middle East shake. If the Middle East shake, energy markets panic. If energy markets panic, the global economy bleeds. And Russia understands leverage better than anybody else. The message from Kremlin is carefully worded but clear. Talk, slow down, back away from the edge, because once missiles fly, no phone call can stop them. So here's the bigger question now looms large. Can Putin really calm both Iran and Israel at the same time? Or is this crisis already moving faster than diplomacy? The world is holding its breath. Iran's streets are restless, Israel's defenses are alert, and Russia is trying to play peacemaker in one of the world's most explosive regions. One wrong move, one miscalculation, one night of violence, and what began as protests could become something much, much bigger. Well, this is not just Iran's story anymore. This is a global test of restraint, and the clock is ticking.